We're a new 10,000 square meter high school located here in Queenstown. We're a two-story building, structural steel frame, concrete topping overpours on the upper floor, with kingspan roof, rab board and metal cladding generally, with some cement board infills.
When we started this site, myself and Blair Greer, who was the construction project manager of the site, spent a lot of time very early in the program looking at how we'd set the site up for maximum productivity. But the best way to do that is to have a good look at your program, a good look at what the needs of the site and the subcontractors are.
Averaging about 215 workers per day at the moment. Probably half, well, a good quarter of that crew is mechanical services. Another quarter to a third is carpenters, and then the rest of the balance of the services and finishing trades.
We've encountered a few difficulties keeping up with design against the build program, but generally I believe we've the site team, which we have a very capable site team, have managed to overcome that.
We've managed to use BIM on this site in a way that's more of a construction guy type methodology. You know, we're not sophisticated BIM, model operators. We just have enough savvy to, so to speak, fly through the models, be able to take screenshots of the models, mark them up, and it was very useful sending those types of marked up screenshots to the consultants to propose and clarify clashes, things that didn't work in the job, that kind of thing.
The collaboration with the local community has been really good. We've got all our resources and staff from local crews. Working with the local materials has helped. It's sped things up, and it's really helped with the program. The crews have been awesome. They've really put the big effort in. They're proud of what they're achieving for their local community.
One issue we came across traveling to the other sites was with the lack of ceiling space, especially underneath the first level for services. A big issue was the number of beams that were in the services space and breaking it up and causing a lot of issues with where to run duct, not enough space to run the duct between various fan coil units. So we took a really close look at that with the designers and found that we could eliminate a large number of cross beams, the Stelcore beams, through the first floor structure by going with a precast rib system. So this created large open span areas that we could then have more free room to run the duct. So it had a little bit of a compromise in that we lost 150 millimeters of net ceiling space, but it created more open usable ceiling space because of it. Probably the thing I'd be most proud of is just really the team we've put together here and how everybody's gotten along so well. None of us knew each other very well, really, or not at all, to be candid. We were all new to each other, and the fact that we've gelled in a remote location and still been able to deliver a project in a remote location away from the mothership, so to speak, I think I'm actually quite proud of that.
The project is due to be completed in December and handed over prior to the next school term in January. I look forward to seeing some of the facilities, particularly the sporting facilities, being used.